Welcome my hustlers, to the most exciting video of the year. Today, we're unveiling the ultimate AI side hustle that has the potential to generate over $750,000 a year. Get ready for an epic journey into the world of AI-powered passive income, where innovation meets opportunity. Buckle up and let's dive into the top 5 best AI side hustles that will change the game for you. The rise of AI side hustles. AI has revolutionized the way we work, opening up incredible opportunities for passive income. Let's explore how AI side hustles have become a goldmine for aspiring entrepreneurs like yourself. AI side hustles leverage cutting-edge technology to create income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. We'll uncover the secrets behind the top 5 most profitable AI side hustles and show you how to tap into their earning potential. Chatbot consultant. Imagine helping businesses enhance their customer service and boost conversions through AI chatbots. We'll guide you step by step on how to become a chatbot consultant, providing valuable insights and tips to get started. Data analysis freelancer. Dive into the world of data analysis and discover how you can use AI to uncover valuable insights for businesses. We'll show you how to leverage your analytical skills and AI tools to offer your services as a data analysis freelancer. Voiceover artist. Discover the power of AI-generated voices and how you can become a voiceover artist without needing a professional recording studio. We'll share the secrets of creating high-quality voiceovers using AI technology. Content creator. Learn how to harness the power of AI to streamline content creation and become a prolific content creator. We'll reveal the AI tools and techniques that can help you generate engaging and high-performing content with ease. AI stock trading. Explore the world of AI-driven stock trading and learn how to use algorithms and machine learning to make profitable investment decisions. We'll provide insights into the strategies and platforms that can help you succeed in this exciting field. Making money with AI side hustles. Now that we've introduced you to the top 5 AI side hustles, it's time to delve into the strategies that will maximize your earning potential. Get ready to take your AI side hustle game to the next level. To make significant money with AI side hustles, it's essential to adopt a strategic approach. We'll share invaluable tips and techniques that will help you scale your income and achieve financial success. Niche selection and targeting. Discover how to identify profitable niches and target specific audiences to optimize your earning potential. We'll guide you through the process of finding lucrative markets where AI can make a significant impact. Automation and scaling. Learn the art of automating your AI side hustle processes to save time and increase your capacity. We'll show you how to scale your business and handle a higher volume of clients without sacrificing quality. Leveraging AI tools and platforms. Uncover the vast array of AI tools and platforms available to support your AI side hustle. Congratulations, hustlers! You're now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your AI side hustle journey. Remember, with the right strategies and the power of AI, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Start implementing these AI side hustles today and pave your way to financial freedom. Stay motivated, stay innovative, and keep hustling. Thank you for joining us on this epic AI side hustle adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI, keep pushing your limits, and keep making that passive income.